Welcome to Mike Dub 27 Day Traders. And it's been a while since the last time I posted, but kind of got busy with things. But let's go ahead and take a look at some stock news. First off, I know everybody was talking about, the Lucid fall and the Lucid crash and all of that stuff. And that's understandable. At one point in time, we were looking at the bottom of Lucid being at what, I think for a while we were thinking like 2020. Then it just kept on going. Matter of fact, right here. But if you remember, about 3 months ago, we were talking about if there was a zero on the other side of that decimal point right there, we were going. And then, of course, it jumped up for a while back in July. I think it only stayed there for about a week almost. And then it went right back down to the normal. Well, the same thing obviously applied, this week, looking at Lucid. Yeah, it was crashing along with everything else. But if there's one thing that we've learned, let's just say throughout the last 3 months, Lucid doesn't like to stay under $2 for too long. Matter of fact, if we go back a year, when has Lucid ever stayed under $2? If really went too deep under $2 in the first place. So when we saw this drop, I'm gonna say yesterday, today's the 23rd. So the 22nd, when we saw that drop right there at 202, it should only made sense. Okay, it's purchasing time. When you think about it, that's an opportunity. People are talking about, oh, Lucid's going the way of Fisker. It's going. Number one, Fisker was a terrible automobile. Lucid isn't a terrible automobile. Lucid isn't making money. You can say maybe it's some terrible business people who need to figure out how to sell, a vehicle or promote a vehicle without using B actors. But when it comes to actual quality vehicle, we haven't really heard any complaints about the quality of vehicle coming from Lucid. So when it hit this $2 mark right here, a lot of people should have made money. Right here, 9:50 a.m. At 9:50 a.m. right here, a lot of people should have made money. If we go back yesterday, let's see, where's the low yesterday? Let me go ahead and do my advanced. Pull up the candlesticks. Here we go, Friday. Everybody should have saw that and got happy. Everybody. Fisker ain't giving you that. That's one thing I will tell you. A lot of those other EV stocks aren't giving that. NIO not giving you that. Market cap back down to 6.25 billion. Average volume still around where it normally is. That's another thing. The volume's never been low. 75.33 million average volume right now, 145 million. A lot of those other stocks like Fisker, let's go ahead and compare it to Fisker real quick. ISK. I don't even think they're a thing anymore. Let's compare it to NIO. Now, if you look at NIO right here, it started the day off. Let's just do opening bell, 587. Went up and kind of just stayed there. It's lame to me. It's lame because I'm not here for a long time. I'm here to get in and get out. Yeah, I'm here to get in and get out. Market cap 12.65 billion, 85 million. Price earnings ratio, they're kind of not making as much money as they should be right now, but they're doing okay. Yes, it's risen in the long run. If you're in it for the long run. But if you're trying to day trade, I wouldn't day trade Neo just because you'd literally have to wait probably half a week for this to drop back down. See what I'm saying? There's no real volatility. This is what you call a long stock or a swing stock or something like that. You see what I'm saying? It's not really volatility. It's just a constant gradual incline. Which for some people that's fine, but I'm not a boring person, so I like that roller coaster. There it is. Now that's a roller coaster right there. You're like, wee! You drop down, and after that, you go back up. Then you drop down, you make some more money, you go back up. It's that easy. So you're making more money probably in one day than 1 week of waiting for Neo to gradually rise up. And then you can still multifacet your assets right there. Now there's some other stocks that I don't pay attention to that. They're just hating. There's some other stocks I've been looking at. AGNC. That's my new go-to dividend yield stock right here. Just because you can get a lot. It's a strong stock, 10.29 billion in a market cap, dividend yield 14.94. It's a monthly dividend stock and has a 64.3% analyst rate. And they're in the green, or the black, as they say in the financial world. So they're definitely doing their thing right here. A baby stock that I'm looking at right now that's kind of caught my interest. Ovid Therapeutics. I say Ovid Therapeutics because of this right here. 100%. Every time I've ever seen one of these 100% ratings, it all means the same thing. Not giving any financial advice, but you can see right there the estimated and the actual when it comes to their earnings report right there. What type of stock is this? Ovid Therapeutics is a biopharmaceutical company which engages in a development of medicine for patients and families living with rare neurological disorders. The company was founded by Matthew during April the 1st, 2014, and is headquartered in New York, New York. So it's not some like Chinese stock that's here today or gone tomorrow, but people are giving it a 100%. And we got a little penny stock right here called Canaan. Canaan is a holding company which engages in developing and settling Bitcoin mining machines and related services. It focuses on the development of green mining. So obviously this is the future. 83% right here. It's making money already. We already know what that means. Market cap is still small, 353 million. This is one of those where this could possibly one day hit, probably something like $5, $9 or something like that. If we look at it from the max, at one point in time it was $20 back in 2021 when mining was at its height. So we know what that means. There's potential. So these are just some things that we were looking at. Hopefully it helps you out in your trading. Once again, this is Mike Dub, 27 Day Trader. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow. I'm out. Deuces.